Welcome back. Let's do question 2.3. Dark tiles D and light tiles L are used to create patterns on a floor. The first four patterns are shown below. For the patterns that follow, the tiles are arranged in a similar manner. Write down the general term for the number of dark tiles used in each pattern. So the number of dark tiles here is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. This is a linear number pattern where we have a constant difference. 1, 3, 5, 7. So the constant difference, 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, and then 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have a constant difference. So we start with the general equation. Tn is equal to an plus b, where a here is the constant difference. So we say Tn is equal to 2n plus b. Then how do we find b? We can substitute any term. Let's say we substitute term number 1. So it means T1, which is 1, is equal to 2. Then where there's n, we put 1 because we're talking about term number 1. Then plus b becomes 1 minus 2 is equal to b, meaning that b is equal to negative 1. Therefore, Tn is equal to 2n minus 1. Let's check our formula. Term 1, 2 times 1 minus 1 is 1. Term 2, 2 times 2 minus 1 is 3. 2 times 3 minus 1 is 5. 2 times 4 minus 1 is 7. We can use any term. We can even choose to use term number 4. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. We can choose to use this term number 4. Let me just show you here. Let's say we use T4. T4 is equal to 2 times 4 plus b, and then T4 is what? Term number 4 is 7. So we put 7 there. 7 is equal to 8 plus b. Then 7 minus 8 is equal to b. Negative 1 is equal to b. Do you see that we're getting the same thing? And then we put the things back into the formula. Tn is equal to 2n minus 1.